lahat, basta masigurado, unang-una, dapat alam mo kung sino ka talaga. First, you must know who you are. And sabi nga ni Paul, it's no longer I that lives, but
Christ.
But
Christ.
But
Christ.
But
Christ.
So your identity is Christ. I am Christ, Ernie. Kaya ako naiinis kay Kiboloy kasi siya lang. Paano naman tayo? Anyway. Yes, Brad. One last question.
Isa pa. Our country is the only Christian, more Christians are in the entire Asia.
Yes.
Why is it that we are the most backward?
Opo, again.
And morally.
Yeah.
Economics and morally.
That's been my whole point. Because we have forgotten who we are. We are either Ilocano, or Tagalog, or Atenista, or Lasalista. We identify with our little groups. I'll tell you something. I work in DFA. I work in DFA. 5,000 people leave the Philippines every day. Do the math. Hindi nga math. Do the arithmetic. Ilan libo tao maalis. Okay. Ngayon, meron kami programa dati. Yung programa namin called yung town hall meeting. We would go from place to place all over the world. Alam nyo ang hirap kausapin talaga. Ang yabang na talaga yung mga tiga North America. Assimilated na sila. Ang feeling kasi nila, parang kunyari, kanunan sila. Diba? Tapos, kayo dyan, kung salita kayo. Kumbaga, ang bilis nilang ma-assimilate. Because naman talaga sila pag No, I'm speaking in general, I mean broadly, okay? No offense. I know Sister Lilencia is a dual citizen. Okay. No offense, sir. Pero ang puntos ko dito, but if you go to the Middle East, when you go to the Middle East, doon ka makakarinig, kabayan. They still have that identity. At least at a certain level, there is an identity of being Filipino. But we have forgotten, Brad, that we are in Christ. Yun din ang kasalanan ng Israel. We're repeating the same sins. And that is why there is a call to revival now. That we should go back and remember who we are. That we are in Christ, the new creation. The old is past, the new has come. It is no longer I that lives, but Christ lives in me. So, going back, you can see how difficult the work is. But huwag po tayong mabahala, patuloy tayo, maganda may kinabukasan, at mamatay man tayo bukas makalawa, at least meron tayong naitanim. Dapat may sumunod. Pero bago mangyari, ikamatay natin, ipasa natin yung ating tunay na legacy that we Filipinos are in Christ. And let us appropriate all the blessings.